Hello class! Today we are going to be talking about volcanoes. We are going to be discussing what a volcano is, where they can be found, the different types of volcanoes, because there are 3 different types that we will be talking about today, and the different parts that make up a volcano. What is a volcano? A volcano is a rupture in the crust of the earth that allows hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface. Volcanoes are formed when magma from within the Earth's upper mantle works its way to the surface. At the surface, it erupts to form lava flows and ash deposits. Over time, as the volcano continues to erupt, it will grow bigger and bigger. Alright, next we're going to be talking about where volcanoes are found. Many of the world's active volcanoes are located around the edges of the Pacific Ocean, the west coast of the Americas, the east coast of Siberia, Japan, the Philippines, and Indonesia, and also in an island chain from New Guinea to New Zealand that is called the Ring of Fire. And as we can see from the pictures on the PowerPoint, I provided 2 pictures that show us the Ring of Fire. You see that kind of outlined? Alright, and if we look at the last picture down here, we can kind of see that volcanoes can be found all over the world. They can be found both on land and in the water. Alright, now we're going to be discussing the different types of volcanoes. We will be talking about the 3 different types. First, there's the composite volcano, which we can see from our first picture. The lava flow travels throughout the entire formation of the volcano. The cinder cone volcano just has one pipe that goes from the bottom to the top. And the shield volcano, the last picture there, has lava flows all over the volcano. Not just the small little ones, or just a couple that we see in the composite. This one definitely has more. Alright, what are the parts that make up a volcano? Let's start at the bottom of this picture here. And as we can see from the picture that this is a composite volcano diagram. So starting at the bottom, we see our magma chamber, which is underneath rock layers of the Earth's crust. And as we travel up through the magma chamber, we are using the conduit pipe. And if we keep going up the conduit pipe there, we see off to the side, we have a branch pipe. Alright, and see how it doesn't go all the way through? This is a perfect example of the composite volcano. And then over here, up top here, we have our vent, which is right at the top of the volcano, and our crater. And then we have our ash cloud. And then I'd also like to take a look at right over here, we have our side vent, and see how some of the magma has traveled through the volcano and has managed to escape through the side here, becoming lava. Very, very interesting to see. And then on this page we have a couple more diagrams of volcanoes. We have a cinder cone volcano up here and to the left. As we see, there is just one long cone throughout the whole volcano compared to our little composite volcano here. See how the composite volcano has an extra branch pipe here? It has an extra vocabulary word. And then over here we just have the vent up top, the magma, and the ash, lava, and dust on the side here that help make up our volcano. Alright, so now that we have all this information, we will get started on our next activity.